In this video, I'll show you how to reorder columns in Monday.com. Start by opening the board where your columns are located. At the top of the board, locate the column you want to move. Move your cursor over the column title until you can clearly select it. Then click and hold the column title. While holding the mouse button down, drag the column left or right across the board. As you move the column, you'll notice a highlighted placement indicator showing exactly where the column will be dropped. Continue dragging until the indicator appears in the position you want. Then release the mouse button to place the column in its new location. The board will automatically save the updated column order immediately, so there's no separate save button required. You can repeat the same process for multiple columns until the board layout matches your preferred workflow. If your board contains many columns, you may need to scroll horizontally while dragging to move the column farther across the board. Some teams also organize columns based on workflow order. Keeping your columns organized properly can make large boards much easier to scan and manage, especially when collaborating with multiple team members. And that's how to reorder columns in Monday.com.